Hello guys, how to fix Windows Defender error code 0x800b0100 in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of Microsoft Defender firewall error code appear occasionally. And to fix these issues, open run command box and here type ms config and open system configuration windows. In system configuration windows, select the selective startups and make sure that both the options should be checked. Load system startup and load startup items, both should be checked. Thereafter go to services tab, hide all Microsoft items, disable all. Once the all items disabled, go to startups, open task manager and enable all items one by one. Right click on it and choose enabled. Close the window. If this method does not work, go to the next fixes and window search, type services and in services windows find out the option Windows Defender Firewall. Right click on it, double click on it and under a startup type choose the option automatic. Press apply and then OK. The next workaround is go to Windows search, type cmd, open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and in command prompt Windows execute the command sfc scan now to check any corrupted files in your Windows systems. It will scan your systems and repair them accordingly. Thereafter apply DISM tool to check your system health. Simply execute these both two commands also. All these commands are available in my video description. You may copy from there. Paste one by one and press enter. And check your error is resolved or not. If not, go to run command again and here execute the command firewall.cpl. It will open Windows Defender firewall in control panel and here restore default settings. Click on restore defaults and press OK. That's all.